What is the most important lesson to begin with in MMA? It's your stance. Your stance is like the foundation of your house. You need to build a strong foundation. If you don't have a strong foundation, everything else falls apart. My old Muay Thai coach with over 400 Muay Thai fights always used to tell me, protect yourself and be balanced at all times. So what does it mean to protect yourself? Let's start by bringing the hands up and the chin down. We want to drop our chin to protect all the vital areas, anywhere below the brow line. So you're talking about your eyes, your cheekbones, your nose, your mouth, and your jaw. That's going to help protect those vital areas. Number two is those hands up. This is going to help you slip punches, parry punches. These hands are going to be one of the lines of defenses that you have. So make sure chin down, hands up. You should be balanced in your stance. So start by taking a big step back with your dominant leg and have your feet about shoulder distance apart. We don't want our feet on the same line. Think about going along a tightrope, right? You're gonna be off balance left and right. At the same time, we don't want our feet on the same line, because if they're on the same line, I'm susceptible to losing balance going forward as well as going back. So I need to make sure I have my foot behind me for forward and back balance, and that my feet are about shoulder distance apart so I'm still stable left and right. Activate your feet when you're getting in your stance. What do I mean by that? Get those heels off of the mat. Put the weight onto the balls of your feet. This is going to allow your body to be ready to fire. I can close the distance by moving forward, I can get away if I need to, and I can pivot. You can do a lot more with your feet being active. It increases your agility. So get up off of those heels, put the weight onto the balls of your feet where you're ready to go. Let's talk about stances. So a boxer is going to stand a little bit more bladed where they're less of a target. They're slightly going to turn in that foot, and this way they can effectively move forward, effectively move back, but they're very susceptible to low kicks. So that's why in Muay Thai they tend to stand a little bit more square. They're able to effectively block the roundhouse kicks. They can throw front kicks of their own. And then there's the wrestler. Wrestlers low to the ground. They're protecting their legs. If somebody shoots, they can use their forehead. They can use their arms to guide them out of the way. They're also able to effectively sprawl, get back up, and they can shoot, right? So there's advantages and disadvantages to each stance. For MMA, try to find the blend of all three. I don't want to be so turned in that I'm taking leg kicks all day. I don't want to be so low, if a flying knee comes, you're going to get hit. So you got to find that middle ground, right? I can still check kicks, I could still sprawl, I could still shoot. You want to be able to do everything in MMA. So to continue learning, check out the next video on footwork, and as always, please remember, like, share, and subscribe.